In this video, I will show you how to view your calendar and how to see what work is coming due soon in Brightspace. From the home page in Brightspace, scroll down to see work that is due soon. Note that the assignments listed here are all links that will bring you directly to the assignment page so you can see what you have to do. Below work to do is the calendar. If you click on today's date, you will just get a visual of the monthly calendar. You can also click upcoming events to see if you have anything coming soon. However, clicking on the word calendar will bring you into the full calendar page. There are a few different views you can see. The monthly view is helpful as you can see everything for the month at a glance, and by holding the mouse over a listing, you can see more details about it. You can also choose List to see a full list view of everything coming up soon. Lastly, if you look on the right-hand side, you can see blue dots on any days where you have something coming up. One cool feature of the calendar is that if you would like to see your Brightspace calendar from another device, you can click Subscribe. From here, you can copy and paste the URL into an external calendar, such as the one on your phone, and you can use that to view your Brightspace assignments that are coming up.